Using Protrack, you can look up an animal's information simply by clicking the action button. Type in the number of the animal you want to look up. Let's look up 45. And then click on Animal Info. This will bring us to a page with all the animal's basic information. Days of milk, age, starting date, etc. All the groups the animal's in. I can manage those groups from this location. There's a video about that I'll link to at the end of this one. And we can also look at these buttons down here. Sometimes you have to scroll depending on how many groups there are. Health will take us to all the health plans this animal's had. If we go back, scroll down, reproduction, all the repro information is here. Production, here you'll find all the information about the herd tests and lactations of this animal. And test history. If sensors are hooked up, here you'll see detailed information pulled from those sensors about that animal.